Hello, everyone. My name is Ashley, and I'm just going to take a moment to share my experience here with Amazon Wealth Automation with you. So, about 7 or 8 months ago, I partnered with Amazon Wealth Automation to set up my Amazon store, and they handled everything from establishing my LLC to applying for an Amazon seller account and the entire process from start to finish. Creating our brand and launching our products, Amazon Wealth Automation took care of all the little details, including providing a report on the market trends and detailed analysis on the products they chose for us to sell, a tracking sheet for purchases, and access to an app to monitor profits for our business. My husband and I now simply get on daily. We check the app. We see the sales coming in consistently. We are very happy with our decision to partner with Amazon Wealth Automation, and their professional approach has made a significant difference for our business. And if you're considering a partner for your Amazon store setup 100% hands-free, I highly recommend Amazon Wealth Automation. Thank you for your excellent service and support.